Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Lincoln MKC. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2.3 with EcoBoost, pushing out 285 horsepower and 305 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 20-inch alloys, the tires are in good condition, front and rear LED daytime running lights. A dark brown leather interior, panorama sunroof. In back we've got rear heated seats. Coming around we've got a 2.3 all-wheel drive EcoBoost badging with the MKC as well. A power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with a blind spot assist, nice wood trim, power windows, power seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, CD player, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, USB ports, cup holders. This Lincoln has 40,812 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lincoln, check out feldmanimports.com.